I'm Anthony Collins. I'm the product leader of interactive surfaces at Smart Services CRC, and we've developed a connected surfaces platform which enables new dimensions of collaboration on interactive surfaces. The Connected Surfaces platform is designed to bring a new dimension to collaboration where walls and tables can become interactive surfaces to support group collaboration in many domains such as education, workplace training, retail and marketing, and also in defence strategy, for example. The platform enables a small group of people to collaborate around a shared workspace, and that enables many new applications for group collaboration. So that could be from teams brainstorming to perhaps educational training sessions that people can conduct around a shared workspace. Interactive whiteboards are widespread in education, but they're typically used in this kind of configuration where it's used as a presentation tool for the teacher, used for web browsing and PowerPoint presentations. Our technology brings a new element to that where information can actually be transferred seamlessly to any of the devices in the room. So the teacher can be throwing information off onto the students' tablet devices, and they can be contributing and answering questions and sending information back to the teacher onto the whiteboard. Information can also be thrown off to any of the other devices in the room, such as extra tabletops or interactive displays. One particular area that we've been working with partners like the Australian Museum, where we've been looking at how to breathe new life into their education programs with visiting school groups. In one example application, we have students touring around the galleries, capturing information on their tablets, such as photos, sound clips and notes, and then they're able to come to a shared tabletop workspace, present that information as a group and brainstorm about themes set by the teacher, and then at the end of the session they can save that and take that back to the classroom.